Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be taking a look at how to convert between degrees and radians. So in your notebook, please put the subtitle, Converting Between Degrees and Radians. Converting between degrees and radians is extremely simple, and all it really involves is using one of your common equivalencies. 180 degrees equal to pi radians is quite easy to use actually, to set up a direct proportion. Once you've set up your direct proportion, you're free to use your preferred technique for solving the proportion. Here's a very quick example to illustrate this process. Suppose I asked you to convert 36 degrees into radians. To set up your direct proportion, you're free to use a small table of values such as the following. First, fill in the table with one of your commonly known equivalencies. I'm going to use the fact that 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. So 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. And simply fill in the rest of the table using your known information, 36 degrees. And now use your preferred technique to solve the proportion. Personally, I'm very partial to the cross-multiplying technique, and cross-multiplying and reducing the fraction properly will produce the following in radians, 1/5 of pi. So we can say that 36 degrees is the same as 1/5 of pi radians. The next example is for you to try on your own. I would like you to convert 12 degrees into radians. Go ahead, pause the video and try it now. Okay, let's see how you guys did. So first, I'm going to prepare my direct proportion. Let's fill it in with a commonly known equivalency. I tend to use 180 degrees, which is the same as pi radians. Fill in what I know, and find what I'm missing. Cross-multiplying will produce the following, and when the fraction is reduced correctly, this will produce the following radians, 1/15 pi radians. So we can safely say that 12 degrees is equivalent to 1/15 of pi radians. Converting from radians to degrees works in the same manner. For our next example, let's convert the following. Convert 3/5 pi radians into degrees. First, set up your direct proportion. I'm going to use a very common equivalency. 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. Put in what I know, 3/5 pi radians, and put in what I don't know. Cross-multiplying will produce the following, which gives us a final answer of 108 degrees. So we can say that 3/5 of pi radians is the same as 108 degrees. Our final example is for you to try on your own. I would like you to convert 2/9 pi radians into degrees. Go ahead, pause the video and try it now. Okay, let's see how you guys did. Your work may look different from mine depending on how you prefer to solve direct proportions. My work looks like the following. My final answer came out to 40 degrees. Therefore, 2/9 pi radians is the same as saying 40 degrees. And that's all there is, ladies and gentlemen, to converting between degrees and radians.